don't know. It depends. What do you want to do? Why is mommy talking in the French? Why is she talking in the French accent? I don't know. Bonjour. Did you have fun yesterday, Mama, on Easter? Yeah. Yeah, that sounds real convincing. Did you get everything from the Easter Bunny?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what about James? Did he get some milk in his basket too?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Hey, James. Jamesy. 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 Hey, yo, your mama's talking to you. Hello? Jamesy. 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 Hello. 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 How you doing? How you doing? What? Do a show. Come on, Mia. Ella. So. What are you doing? What are you doing? Little man. What are you doing? I'm loving that spiky hair today. Don't pull my string now. Come on now.
Look at my video.
You need a haircut, little man. Yeah, I know. I got you too, girl. Don't worry. You're there. What are you having, a hoe down by yourself? What are you doing?
Showing off my kitty cat.
Showing off your pussycat? Pussycat. Oh, the little pussycat. Pussycat. So, James, what are you doing? Tinufto. Oh, she's got your walker, James. Get her. Say, that's mine. Put it down, Mia, please. Ella. Mia. Zoso. Over here now, please. Pick it up and put it back now, please. Thank you.
Did you get me doing that?
I got the whole thing. Let's see Jamesy walk. Go ahead, James. Go ahead, James. Rock it out, bruh. Go ahead, little bruh. Go ahead. Come on, let's see you walk. Come on. Go, buddy.